In this video, let us understand the variable costs. See, variable costs are the cost incurred by the producer on the use of variable factors of production. I told you that raw material, your labor, these are your variable factors of production. So, your variable cost is the expenditure incurred by the producer on the variable factors of production. See, the variable cost is also known as the prime cost or the direct cost. You also call it as the direct cost or the prime cost. See, when output changes, your variable cost also changes. So, when output changes, these costs also change. As the output increases, these costs will increase. If your output has increased, your variable cost will also increase. If your output has decreased, your variable cost will also decrease. And if your output is 0, your variable cost will also be 0. Because if you're not producing anything, then why would you require raw material? You won't purchase raw material if you're not producing anything. So your raw material cost will be 0 if your output is 0. So variable costs are the costs that are incurred by the producer on the variable factors of production, and these costs change with the change in the output. Let us see with the help of diagram. See, this is the table which is showing your units of output, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the column which is showing you the total variable cost. See, as your output has increased from 1 to 2, your total variable cost will also increase, because if you increase your output, you definitely require more of raw material. So your output increases, your variable cost will also increase. Now from 2 to 3 it has increased, now 3 to 4 it has increased. So it is increasing. Let us plot it on a graph. At 0 it is 0, at 1 it is 10, at 2 it is 18, at 3 it is 24, somewhere here, at 4 it is 28, at 5 it is 32, at 6 it is 38. So this is your total variable cost curve. Okay, so these are the points. That you plotted on graph. So this is the curve of your total variable cost. Let us understand the difference between the fixed cost and the variable cost. Number 1, your fixed cost does not change with change in output. Right? Your variable costs change with the change in output. The second point we can have the differentiation is fixed costs are incurred if output is equal to 0 right? What about variable cost? If output is equal to 0, your variable cost will also be equal to 0. The third thing we can have is we can give the examples. That is your fixed cost can be rent, your license fees, or the plant and machinery cost, right? Your variable costs are the cost of raw material, your wages, your expenses on electricity. So these are the three difference that we can form from the fixed and variable cost. The fourth difference you can make by yourself. You can draw the diagram that this is the total fixed cost and this is the diagram for the total variable cost, right? So this is how you can write down the difference between the fixed cost and the variable cost. I hope you have understood this completely. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.